performer's been kind of going through a rough time lately. It's been a really transformational time in their life, and really glad that they're here to tell us about their experience. They come from all over the Americas, especially east of the Rocky Mountains. Please give it up for the Monarch butterfly.
Almost there. See the light? Yes.
Woo.
Oh my. Oh, hello there. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Monarch, or as some may say, Danis Plexippus, which in scientific terms means sleepy transformation. In other words, beauty sleep. In fact, as the fourth generation of butterfly this year, emerging in early autumn, I have slept more than all my other annual ancestors. I am well rested and ready to fly farther and live longer as well. Now, after my sleepy transformation, here I am. You're there too. Antennas long enough to smell you. Feet capable of tasting the milkweeds that I dance upon. Eyes able to see colors more vivid than any human eye. All these senses equip me to be the master of migration. I've had navigation mastered long before Google Maps. As the fourth generation in a yearly cycle, I will make the travel 300,000 kilometers. As the days grow colder, I will make my great escape. Drinking nectar from milkweed to replenish, using sun as compass to guide me to where I will hibernate. Clustered with thousands of others just like me, hanging from Mexican OML fir trees. Living off my fat cells until spring. What a lucky incarnation. Could I ask for a life much better? Time to fly along to where I do belong. What could go wrong? What is this? A letter? To me? From my grandmother? I didn't know butterflies could write. Dear my very great granddaughter, there are so many like us here. I only wish you could be near. Though I know you will hear the call clear. The Mexican forest filled with OML trees will be your destiny, as they have been for generations. Still, this journey comes with trials and tribulations. I thought this was going to be easy. I have all these super senses. Declining populations will make it to the final destination. Few wildflowers mean less pollination. Deforestation mean less trees for hibernation. The milkweed which we lay our eggs inside poisoned by pesticides, insecticides, crop dusters, and mass agriculture. Ugh! My very great granddaughter, you must muster incredible resilience and might to embark on your noble flight with a mission to succeed and breed successors after finding sanctuary in serene Sierra Madre mountainry. Well, that's strange. Sounds like a riddle, a mystery. Oh, I see. There's more. Very great granddaughter, it is your DNA to be a beautiful navigator. future of your successors is in the hands and hearts of humankind. Take this photo of I in the hands of a great human mind in a story of connection I hope you will find. For once upon a time, I did not have a name until in 1975. That was a great year. I was tagged by a teacher and student in Minnesota and became PS 397. Attached are 2 letters from the man in the picture. One was written to me, and the other a plea for future humanity. Dear PS 397, the magic of a moment when a dream is realized became manifest, holding you, as the flapping of millions of other monarch wings sing like a gentle rain. Thanks to the help of citizen scientists, we were able to trace you past the borders of Texas, discovering where the monarchs were gathering in Mexican oyamel trees, overwintering. We used data from volunteers to track your navigation for generations. For where you would flee each winter was a mystery. To hold you in my hands was indisputable proof of an incredible journey. Though I fear for your future family, please pass along this plea. Sincerely, the pioneers of the Great Monarch Watch, Fred and Nora Urquhart. That's my grandma! Now for the plea. I wonder what this could be. Dear citizen scientists of the future, you are the protectors of Mother Nature. Each and every one of you has a mission to do. The monarchs are in trouble. Other pollinators and migratory animals may be too. For generations, the Insect Migration Association tried to track the monarch's destination. And it was the final generation that was truly remarkable. That's me. They would migrate and then, like a mystery, become unobservable. To discover their whereabouts, we began tagging wings. And now, years, decades later, after finding millions of monarchs gathered among oyamel trees, populations are declining, and now we must solve the mystery of why. Soon I will die, but I beg you, future citizen scientists, to look up at the sky and imagine it bare of all things that fly. Declining monarch populations must be a call to action. Citizen scientists, it will be your generation's quest to continue the Great Monarch Watch, started by Nora and Fred Urquhart. But how, you may say? There are many different ways. Continue tagging monarchs so we can watch where they go. Plant milkweed in your garden to help monarch populations grow. Not tropical milkweed, though, as it carries disease. Only native milkweed, please. Join the Citizen Science Project, Monarch Health, to collect a wealth of information on monarch parasite infection. Help fuel monarchs on their journey to their Mexican vacation by creating a monarch waste station filled with nectar-rich plants native to your environmental region. Help monarch hydration by creating a butterfly watering station. Visit monarchwatch.org for an abundance of information. Use the facts to speak up for monarchs being protected by the Endangered Species Act. Citizen scientists, the planet is shared with many magnificent creatures. On this planet, we are all potential teachers of how to be environmental stewards. As I begin my journey onward, I invite you to tag me with a sticker in hopes that this call to action will be more than a flicker in the minds of humankind.